I'm Simeon Penev from Vertu Digital. I'm data and analytics consultant, and mostly I'm doing analytics for our marketing teams and automation and AI from a year ago. First of all, what Vertu Digital does is data analytics, advertising, and SEO. And the combination of three of them, the thing is important for me is data analytics, because it blends the data is all about in the advertising and in the SEO part. So when we have the data, we can analyze it and then use it in these other services. So the three have something in common, which is automation and AI. And from a year ago, we had an initiative which we started to help the teams to do not do the job manually. So if they have a report, how we can automate it. If they need to make a research for SEO, how do we automate this? And in standard business, there are a lot of tasks that are timely, that are repetitive, and it's a quality, human quality, like say, in the n8n business value, we can add less time, repetitiveness is automated, and quality is better. So, what's the key to achieve this? To find the problem first, define it clearly, and then set the right goal. And the process, which we'll see as a demo with n8n, is like for products which are user-centric. Like we have feedback from all of these tools, like Google Form, Typeform, Hotjar, Pendo, Intercom, Zendesk, whatever. We have this feedback, which is a mess. Like every tool has different type of variables and parameters which are sent to our systems, and we want to have this feedback in one place. So we have two people who are customer supports, and they order this data in a tool like Jira. We have product feature one, bug fix one, UX and UI enhancement one, and so on. Like there are a lot of features, bugs, and so on. So we enhance the product with these two people. And how in the era of AI can we do it with AI? So this mess can be ordered by an AI. So I will now show you a demo in n8n, how I did it, like it's demo. So first I need to show some things here, but first I will start it, and then I will show you what's happening in this workflow. First of all, n8n is a workflow tool, which is step by step, and there are some agents. These are AI agents, and we can see that they're doing the job, and we can see step by step what's happening. Now we have three things. I started this manually, but we can start it as a trigger. Or when feedback comes, we can start doing it. So first we have Google Form feedback, Zendesk open ticket, and Hotjar feedback. Then we update the status of Zendesk. So if we have this Zendesk ticket, after that, we will not produce the same ticket. So we don't need to repeat these tickets to the AI to duplicate them. And then we merge this data, aggregate it. It's kind of a n8n thing. Then I used code, but I'm not a coder. I'm a semi-tech guy, like say, and I used AI to generate this based on the documentation of how to create code. And just what I wanted, I wanted to have this data ordered like with my logic. So I needed this as logic and everything to be in one format. Then we have the first AI agent, which is with a prompt how to categorize and summarize this data. And the categorization and summarization is always in one and the same format, like JSON format. When we have this data, we prepare it for the agent which will create the tickets. And we see that this from the JSON part is going to be ordered different way for the system we want to use, like Jira. After that, we use Supabase vector store. This is only for documentation like. So we store this data to have historical data about what tickets we had. And then we use another agent, which is past ticket reviewer. And this agent, it's interesting that it's with Jira software connected. It's like two, and it gets the past issues. So we don't want to duplicate any tickets. So we use these two to get the old tickets. And we see that this is okay. And then this agent tells us if it's going to create a new ticket or no. So we see that if create ticket is true, it's going to create a ticket. And at the end, it's working to create a ticket, and we have a prompt which is creating the ticket in Jira. And also we store all of our tickets in Supabase. And we are waiting for the end, and it's ready. So now we go in Jira. And now we have these all 16 tickets in our system. And we can see that these are with three things. I just want to have title, description, and a label which tells what kind of status it is. And we have this enhanced user onboarding experience. And this is the description, and we have label high. And this is a way to automate this, and then the customer support does not need to think what new feature should be, but only just come here and say, oh, this is good, I will proceed to open a ticket for my team. This is irrelevant, I don't want this, just delete it. And so we are moving to another part where customer support is not thinking, but it's only approving the tickets. And if don't want to have customer support to approve the tickets, we can have AI agent who have enough knowledge to only approve or disapprove some tickets. And this is the way we use n8n. it's only here for the showcase. I'm doing a lot of different automations in AI agents for Verto. But here, like for product market fit products, this, I think it's one of the most use cases where startups don't have time to enhance products they don't have enough people to see the feedback, to categorize it, to create new tickets. So this is a way that you can automate this. And it's like tools like n8n can do it very easy and very fast. Also, I've made logic where you cannot, you don't need to, if a feature is kind of same as others created, there is no need for creating a new ticket. So the AI knows that and doesn't create new tickets. And I want to show you some tools which are helpful where you can create and build AI agents, and they're from no code to code. Like these resourceful means that there is a lot of communities and documentation of these tools. And for no code tools, Zapier, Make, Voiceflow, there is no need to know anything about code. And when you go to the code, you can use other tools like OneChain, OneGraph, and others. These are only as example. So I use mostly n8n because there is a big community, and their product features are very good, and they launch them very fast. And also they're Europe company, and they just get a serious round B funding, I think. And yeah, they're very good at the community thing, and it's very easy to, if you have a problem, to go to the community and see how to fix with the problem for you. And tools like n8n turns everyone into a developer. So I'm not a developer, I'm semi-tech guy. I know some code, but not in depth. And I use n8n Cursor for creating different applications. So they're not production ready, but enough to show what I want and developers to do it. And my advice for you is just start building smart automations, and it's already faster and easier than ever before.